We're about to gear up for a 18-hour flight.
Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run. Falling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run.
But I feel why you guys are not talking. We're headed to Australia right now. It's gonna be a long fucking trip, like 16 hours. I gotta travel with all the product with me. For those of you who don't know, I'm Kyle Lim, president of Power Dental Group. We're doing a little international show here, showing out for all my Australian folks. We're ready to get rolling, man. Time to go international. So we literally just sweated for the past 30 minutes because we just had to download the app, apply for a visa to be able to get in, and thank God I got mine granted. Ben right now just applied for his, so I'm hoping that his gets granted. Little thumb.
Got it.
Bro, you're denied.
Shut up, bro.
Yeah, granted too. We're about to gear up for a 18-hour flight. I think to date, this is probably the longest one I've ever done.
How was the flight?
Flight was good. Neck hurts. Man, we got a lot to look forward to. One, it's the first time in Sydney. Heard a lot of good things about it.
Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning.
You know, I think these are the moments where it's very cool because I don't take any of this for granted. The scope and the trajectory that we've been on as a business, like just everything going on in general, not even a fraction of where we need to be. And I'm gonna be busting my ass this entire trip to be able to make sure that we can keep pushing our brand internationally and let doctors know that we're the #1 company in the entire fucking world. I do wanna preface to everybody that this is not normally the hotel we'd be staying in, but we had to hit a specific minimum because the state of Illinois gives us like grants every single year to do an international venture out of the country to be able to help push our products into a different area. And so Australia ended up being the one because we had to hit a certain minimum to be able to get reimbursed a certain amount. That's why we're staying at the hotel, at the venue where the trade show is happening. Normally, I'll tell you, I'm not staying in this type of or this nice of a hotel. I'm honestly a very cheap person. So try to make sure that we're not spending money on things that we don't really need. And nice hotels are nice, not something that we really need at this point. So to elevate, myself looks at your yes. Too. As you can see with some of the footage that you saw while I'm setting up, and this is kind of it's a skill set, I'm not gonna lie. I was pitching, showing people some of the products. You know, you gotta be ready at whenever. And even when the situation isn't optimal, you have to be able to attack and do what you normally would do without sweating the small things. It was hectic, but as you can see, we got everything set up. We're ready to have a day, right? No one really teaches the importance of instruments, at least in the US. I don't know about in Australia, but no one really teaches the importance of instrumentation in general and how much it can actually help with your efficiency in your processes. Buccolingually takes the twist, follows along the distal portion of the root, and then pulls it out just like this, super cleanly. That's who we are. So, thank you so much. If you guys have any questions, obviously let me know.
Power Dental gonna donate 2 sinus kits for you guys. And also this one, right?
Yes. Yes. All right, we're downstairs. I just wrapped up the lecture. We're about to go through the hands-on right now, so I'm getting all the kits prepared for the hands-on. These are custom-made kits for Dr. Park.
Yeah. So this one actually doesn't take longer, right? You drill and then negotiate it. You do crescently and then lifting, like a same as a crescent lifting.
can't find Kyle anywhere. Just don't know where he's at. What the? There you are. What are you doing?
Just a little bit of work. What's up? What's going on? Hop in. Hop in, man. We're about to do a lateral sinus lift on Ben. Here, as you can see, patient phenotype. He's got pretty thick bone. To catch you guys up, so we had a little bit of an early night last night. We ended up coming back to the hotel, got some food, some Uber Eats. People think that when I travel, I'm gonna go party and shit. We set the alarm to go back out at like 9:30. Me and Ben both woke up and did not go out at all. Went right back to bed. Woke up this morning at 4 a.m. Body's still getting acclimated, but now we're here for the setup and getting everything situated, ready to go for the conference, which it starts technically today. So we're setting everything up. As you can see, got all the bags here. But this is part of the process every single time. Start up, tear down, which I saw yesterday at Sydney, for example, the university. That's pretty similar to what we're gonna be doing here, working what we got. We're gonna do a little snap, and then it's gonna transform into being a clean-ass display.
Play something these hoes are like. Try whips, I know they like. Twister, you told her right. Make you a celebrity overnight. Give you ice like Kobe, right? We sorta like Goldie, right? The way we mold them, right? Make you a celebrity overnight.
We just got through round one of seeing all these people. Before this, what you guys didn't see, I did a little email blast to every single customer in the contact list that I received. This is what it takes sometimes. Look at this. You see this? Anything with a tooth. This is an email that I sent prior. Look at this. That's the type of dedication that we got to the game. Look, it's still going. I'm still scrolling, guys. I mean, guys, come on. I think the best part about this is that we see some people, they recognize who I am, both from Instagram, from the email that we sent out, but we're starting to cook. And the interesting part about this whole thing is that every single time that we end up doing these types of events, I will guarantee without a doubt that we are the hottest fucking booth. And that's not even me saying to brag, it's because we bring the most authenticity, stellar products, and we're gonna show out because we care about the people in front of us. And because I have that bucket side PDS 7 at this point, I can rotate out and rinse and jab off. Do you feel how light you're squeezing, but how much grip you have?
Yes. Yeah, I mean, I'm just holding it.
I know. That's nuts, right?
Yeah.
That's the reason why I call the Intramatics. We just had a crazy fucking day, I'm not gonna lie. I'm exhausted, but I'll tell you, man, we made some really good connections, had some really good talks, and when I'm exhausted at the end of the day, it might be partially due to jet lag as well. You know that we had a fucking killer day. This happens all the time. First and last out. Even though we were tired of the party, we ended up making the impact. Look, the last one's here. Look at this. Last one's here, look at this. Look at this. Who else is here right now doing it like this, man?
Dude, I still can't find Kyle. Whoa. What are you doing?
What time is it?
Bro, have you been sleeping here all night?
Oh! I thought I was just gonna take a little nap. In this business, the grind doesn't fucking stop. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back, day 2 of the conference.
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Andy?
30, we gotta be ready by 7 o'clock down in the lobby to be able to go to this gala on the boat. It's hustle and bustle, man. This shit does not stop. It's just back and forth.
Whoa, what's that fit?
We got a little denim today. You know, something a little chill for the boat coming up here. I'm pretty sure people are gonna be wearing suits, but you know how we do with Power Denim, we're always doing our own thing. So I got the denim on denim fit because I also didn't pack anything and was not planning to come to this gala dinner. But we got the cowboy hat, the Mark Nolan shoes still, the sunglasses. And I'm debating if I want to wear a little bit of blue light to make myself look a little bit smarter than I actually am when I'm on the boat, because that drowns out kind of it's just got a dumbass with the fit, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how it goes, but we're swapping over. We're gonna be on the Osmo on the boat. We don't want to flash a big ass camera in front of people's faces.
Good night. Kyle? Hello? Alright, we'll catch y'all tomorrow.
You're the reason why you're broke.
Who are you talking
and
to?
Not enough people
Bro,
understand.
Who are you talking
why
to? The TV is not even on, and there's no one in this classroom.
I'm practicing for my speech, man, later, bro. What do you mean?
What the?
What's going on, guys? We're on the last day here. Got back a little bit late last night.
Okay.
Body's not feeling too hot, but you know how we do. We wake up and we're gonna close out the last day and finish off strong. We'll see you guys here in a second.
That's a good one, Pete.
I was made for this shit, nigga. I prayed for this shit. On the handmade, it's a Swiss.
Wrapping up, got everything done today. When we're leaving with less inventory than what we started with, it's typically a good thing. We always say first and last out. I'm literally the last one set up in the entire fucking, I mean, you just look around. Like there's literally nobody here. We got the fucking gala going on right now. I'm not even supposed to be here this time, but I'm still here. I appreciate everybody from Australia community supporting us. For those of you who followed on socials, come take a look at us. That came took a look at us, and for everybody that's giving us a chance, man. So love y'all. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.